Om Nam Shivaya. Last year you have studied relations and functions. Do you remember functions? What is a function? A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in B. Or if f is given in ordered pair form, no two ordered pairs in f have the same first element. If it is like that, we can say that f is a function. Today we are going to discuss types of functions. Okay, types of functions. First one is one-one function or an injective function. What do you mean by a one-one function? A function f from A to B is defined to be one-one or an injective function if the images of distinct elements of A under f are distinct. What is that? If a function, if it is defined from A to B, then it is called a one-one function if the images of distinct elements, images of different elements of A under f are different. Otherwise, it is called many-one. If it is not one-one, it will be many-one. For example, let's consider a function f from set 1, 2, 3, 4 to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see that 1 is the image of 1, 2 is the image of 2, 3 is the image of 3 and 4 is the image of 4, isn't it? See, different elements of A, they are related to different elements of B, means the images are different. Therefore, f is 1, 1. Now you consider another example, G. Suppose G is a function from set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see that 1 is the image of 1, 2 is the image of 2, 3 is the image of 3, 4 is the image of 4, 5 is the image of 5, again 5 is the image of 6 also, isn't it? Here for 5 and 6 the images are same, that is 5. So G is not 1, 1. Here G is a many-one function. Okay. Now let's discuss another type of function which is called onto function. What do you mean by an onto function? Onto function, or another name is surjection, surjective function. Okay. A function f from A to B is said to be onto if every element of B is the image of some element of A under f. Okay, every element of the second, if f is from A to B, then every element of the second set, they should be the images of some elements of the first set. Or we can say there should be pre-images for all the elements of B if f is from A to B. Image and pre-image, we know that. So if all the elements of B, they are having pre-images, it means f is onto. Here we can consider an example f from A to B. You can see that the elements of A, they are x, y, z and w. Elements of B are 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Image of x is 1, image of y is also 1, image of z is 2 and image of w is 3. When you consider the elements of B, we can see that there are pre-images for all the elements, isn't it? So here f is a surjection, or we can say f is an onto function. Now let's consider another function G from A to B. You can see elements of A, x, y, z and w, elements of B 1, 2, 3 and 4. Image of x is 1, image of y is also 1, image of z is 2 and image of w is 3. When you consider the elements of B, we can see that there is no pre-image for 4, isn't it? For it is not the image of any element of A, therefore it is not a surjection. It is not an onto function. Now let's see bijective function, bijection. What do you mean by a bijective function? If a function f from A to B is both 1, 1 and onto, then it is called a bijection. If a function is both 1, 1 and onto, then we call it a bijection, or simply we say 1, 1 and onto function. Okay. Let's consider the example f from A to B. Here we can see the elements of A. They are A1, A2, A3 and A4. Elements of B are B1, B2, B3 and B4. Okay, A1 is related to B1, or B1 is the image of A1, B2 is the image of A3, B3 is the image of A2, then B4 is the image of A4, isn't it? So here we can see that F is 1, 1, isn't it? Different elements of A, they are having different images in B, and all the elements of B, they are having pre-images. Therefore, it is onto, since it is 1, 1 and onto, it is called a bijective function. It is a bijection. I think it is clear for you. So just we can recall. What do you mean by a 1, 1 function? What do you mean by a 1, 1 function? Okay. A function is said to be 1, 1 if the images of different elements, if F is from A to B, if the images of different elements of A under F are different. Different elements are having different images. Now, what do you mean by onto function? Surjection. Onto function means if F is from A to B, then every element of B, if they are the images of some element of A, every element of B is an image of some element of A, then we call that function as an onto function. Then bijection means if F is both 1, 1 and onto, it is called a bijective function. Okay. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.